In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add initials or change initials in DocuSign, step by step. Whether you're creating a brand new template or updating an existing document, adding initials correctly ensures your documents look professional and stay legally compliant. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish so you can follow along easily. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical DocuSign guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. You can head directly to apps.docusign.com and log into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look at the top navigation menu and click on Templates. Templates are useful because they allow you to reuse documents without having to recreate fields every single time. After you click on Templates, select Create Template. This will allow you to build a new template where you can add or modify initials. On the next screen, you'll need to give your template a name. Type in a clear and descriptive name so you can easily find it later. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple contracts or agreements. Next, click on Upload to add your document. You can upload a file directly from your computer. When prompted, select Desktop or the location where your file is stored. Then choose the document you want to use. Once uploaded, DocuSign will prepare the document for editing. Now you'll move to the Recipient section. Here, you need to fill in the recipient roles. For example, you might add a signer and enter their name and email address, or you can create a role like client or employee if this is a reusable template. Assigning recipients properly is important because initials fields must be assigned to a specific signer. After filling in the recipients, click on Add Message if you'd like to include a custom email subject and message that recipients will see when they receive the document. This step is optional, but it helps provide context. Once everything looks good, click on Next, Add Fields. This takes you into the document editor, where you can place signature fields, date fields, and of course, initials fields. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different field options. Look for the Initials field. To add initials, simply drag and drop the Initials field onto the area of the document where you want the signer to initial. You can resize and reposition the field as needed by clicking and adjusting the corners. If you need multiple initials throughout the document, just repeat the drag and drop process wherever required. Make sure each Initials field is assigned to the correct recipient. You can verify this by checking the recipient color coding at the top of the screen. If you accidentally assign it to the wrong person, simply click on the field and change the assigned recipient from the drop-down menu. Now, what if you want to change initials instead of adding new ones? If you're editing an existing template, open the template from your Template section, click Edit, and go back into the Add Fields view. From there, click on the existing initials field you want to modify. You can delete it and drag in a new one, or adjust its placement and recipient assignment as needed. This is helpful if roles have changed, or if initials were placed incorrectly. Once you've added or updated all initials fields, review the entire document carefully to ensure everything is positioned correctly. When you're done, click Save and Close to save your template. And that's it. You now know how to add initials or change initials in DocuSign quickly and efficiently. This process makes your documents more secure and ensures every required section is properly acknowledged by your signer. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow DocuSign tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.